Students, today we are going to deal with solving non-homogeneous differential equation by using method 3. So what is method 1? The method 1 is right hand side is e power of x. The method 2 is sin x or cos x, and the method 3 is x to the power of m. Now we are going to see how we are going to solve the non-homogeneous differential equation by using the method 3. We have only 3 methods, first, second, we covered first 2, and now today we are going to cover the third method. This is the last method we are having in a diploma level. So the method 3. So first of all, let me explain what is the method 3. So let me go to the method. Yes, this is the method 3. F of d of y is equal to x to the power of m. Are you getting, guys? X to the power of m. Right hand side is x to the power of m. So if right hand side is e power of x, then what is that? That is the method 1. If right hand side is sin x or cos x, that is the method 2. In previous 2 classes we did the method 1 and method 2. We explained the method 1 and method 2 and corresponding problems. Now in this class we are covering the method 3, the last method. What is that? The right hand side is x to the power of m. So what is yp? 1 by f of d of x to the power of m, 1 by f of d of x to the power of m. This is my yp, x to the power of m. In case of x to the power of m, it is very easy to identify the problem. You see, it is x to the power of m. As you can easily identify that the right hand side is x to the power of m, means you have to go for the third method. Yes, that is very easy. Now when it is x to the power of m, then what to do? What we have to do is we have to take the least power of d common. Only 2 steps working rule. Just a minute. It's only 2 steps working rule, guys. What is that? First of all, from denominator, take the least power of d common. If you take the least power of d common from the denominator, what will you get? The denominator becomes 1 plus or minus something. Yes, the denominator becomes 1 plus or minus something. 1 plus something or 1 minus something. So that is our target. So what is our target is that you have to make the denominator in the form of 1 plus or 1 minus something. That is our first step in our working rule. To find the yp when the right hand side is x to the power of m, that is yp is equal to 1 by f of d x to the power of m, then at place of f of d denominator we need to write in the form of 1 plus some function or 1 minus some function. To get that into the form, what you have to take is that you have to take the least power of d common from f of t, then it becomes 1 plus f pi of d or 1 minus pi of d. I am saying remaining function as pi of d. Are you getting this? 1 plus or minus pi of d whole power of n. Coming to the numerator, 1 plus or minus pi of d whole power of minus n into x to the power of m. So this is in the second step. What we are going to do is, in second step we are going to apply these formulas. You see, 1 minus d whole power of minus 1. What is the formula? 1 minus d whole power of minus 1 is 1 plus d square plus d cube and so on. And 1 plus d whole power of minus 1. Now in first formula, 1 minus d whole power of minus 1, both the way in 2 places we are having minus. That's why what you got, 1 plus d square plus d cube plus d power of 4 and so on, all places. Now second formula, you see the second formula, 1 plus d whole power of minus 1. First you are having plus and in power you are having minus. Therefore it is 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube plus d power of 4 minus d power of 4 and so on. That is plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus. Are you getting? Now you see third and fourth formula. Third formula, 1 minus d whole power of minus 2. In both places we are having minus. So all plus you will get. You see 1 plus 2d plus 3d square plus 4d cube and so on. So in fourth formula, 1 plus d power of minus 2, that is first plus next minus. So alternatively you get plus minus plus minus plus minus, that is 1 minus 2d plus 3d square minus 4d cube and so on. So these are the four formulas. So this is the two-step working rule to find a particular integral in the case of x to the power of m. So what are the steps? I repeat, what is that? First of all, 1 by f of d of x to the power of m, then f of d should be written in the form of 1 plus something or 1 minus something. So to write that, take least power of d common, then it is of 1 plus half pi of d or 1 minus half pi of d. If you take to the numerator, you will get power minus 1, minus 1 or minus 2 or minus 3, like that. So we are making use of second step. We make use of the formula 1 minus d all power of minus 1, 1 plus d all power of minus 1, minus 1 minus d all power of minus 2, or 1 plus d all power of minus 2. So this is what we are going to do. So this is a method, guys. Are you able to get it? This is the method. What is that? Only two-step working rule. First one, from the denominator, take the least power of d term common. Then it forms in the form of 1 plus something or 1 minus something. Take it to numerator, then power becomes negative. So for negative powers, we are given four formulas: 1 minus d all power of minus 1, 1 plus d all power of minus 1, 1 minus d all power of minus 2, 1 plus d all power of minus 2. So these are the four formulas that we are given. So only two-step process to find a particular integral in the case of method 3. So let us try to go for the problems. So I am keep on telling the same thing from the first class onwards. We have to try to do more problems in this video lesson itself. That's why. So let us quickly go to the problems. Try to solve many problems as you can. So this is my first problem. Solve d square plus 3d plus 2 of y is equal to x. So you see, denominator is x and the right hand side is x, means it is non-homogeneous. And which method? If right hand side is e power of x, then what you will get? We will be in method 1. And if sin x or cos x, in method 2. And in now x to the power of m, then third method. So right hand side we are having x, that is x to the power of 1, means it is method 3. Very easy to identify the problem, guys. Are you getting? So once you identify the method, then apply the method. So first of all, we identify the method, and this is non-homogeneous. Therefore, the general solution contains two terms: y is equal to yc plus yp. So general solution y is equal to yc plus yp. So how to find yc? Yc, what is yc? Complementary function. What is it? It is a general solution of corresponding homogeneous differential equation. So take for this non-homogeneous, take right hand side 0, that becomes homogeneous. Find general solution of that homogeneous, that is our yc. Are you getting? So in order to find the general solution of corresponding homogeneous, that is in order to find yc, so let us take auxiliary equation m square plus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0, that is at place of d write m. So you got the auxiliary equation of quadratic form. So quadratic equation it is. So you will get two roots. Factorize. 3m can be written as 2m plus 1. Take m common, first two terms m common, m plus 2, last two terms plus 1 common, m plus 2. Now take m plus 2 common, then you get m plus 2 into m plus 1. That is m is equal to minus 1 comma minus 2. So go back to solving homogeneous differential equation. Once you get roots of auxiliary equation, if roots are real and different, how to write the general solution? And if roots are real and equal, then what is the solution? And when roots are complex, what is the solution? There are three cases: real and different roots, real and equal roots, and complex roots. Now the roots are real and different. They are real numbers and they are different real numbers, therefore real and different. In case of real and different, what is the solution? Yc is equal to c1 into e power of minus x plus c2 into e power of minus 2x. This is my yc. We got yc. We are doing from the first class onwards. So very first class of this homogeneous non-homogeneous differential equation. So it is, you are very familiar with finding this auxiliary equation roots and writing the solution. So let us go to now the method is finding yp. So what to do? Yp is equal to 1 by d square plus 3d plus 2 of x. So what is the least power of d here? The least power of d is discrete term, d power of 2, d term, d power of 1, constants means d power of 0. So the least power of d is to take 2 common. If you take 2 common, at place of t you will get 1, and at place of d square plus 3d you will get d square plus 3d by 2. Take to the numerator, what will get 1 by 2, 1 plus d square plus 3d by 2 all power of minus 1, which is a formula. It is in the form of this. What is that? 1 plus d whole power of minus 1. 1 plus and minus combination, you will get plus or minus plus or minus. So 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube and so on. But at place of d, what you are having, at place of d, you are having d square plus 3d by 2. Substitute it. So 1 by 2 into 1 minus d square by plus 3d by 2 plus d square plus 3d by 2 whole square. 2 whole square means 4 and so on of x. So d means derivative. Derivative of x is 1 and derivative of x square is 0. Derivative of second derivative 0, third derivative 0, fourth derivative 0 and so on. So only at place of d you have to write 1 and d square onwards you have to write 0. So 1 into x is x, d square of x 0, 3 into d of x 1 and d square d cube terms they are 0. So what is yp? Yp is equal to 1 by 2 into x minus 3 by 2. So this is a method and this is how we find yp. Are you getting, guys? Take least power of d, that is 2 common. If you get 2 common you will get this, and take to the numerator you will get this. It is of the form, this formula you are having 1 plus d whole power of minus 1 formula. At place of d you are having d square plus 3d by 2. Substitute, you get this. And now here 1 into x is x, d square of x is 0, d of x is 1. So substitute that, you get yp. What is yp? 1 by 2 into x minus 3 by 2. This is yp. We got yp now. So what is that? We got yc and we got yp. Then therefore the general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. What is yc? c1 into e power of minus x plus c2 into e power of minus 2x. And what is yp? 1 by 2 into x. What is that? Yes. 1 by 2 into x minus 3 by 2 is yp, and c1 e power of minus x, c2 e power of minus 2x. Last line you see yc we got, yp we got. Now general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp, that is c1 into e power of minus x plus c2 into e power of minus 2x plus 1 by 2 into x minus 3 by 2. This is my first problem on the new method, method 3. Are you getting, guys? So now let us move to the next problem. Second problem. Solve. What is the second problem? Solve. D square plus 31 of y is equal to x. D square plus 31 of y is equal to x. You see, right hand side is x, that is x power of 1, x to the power of m form, therefore it is method 3. So identification is very simple, nothing to worry. If it is e power of x, then method 1, sin x or cos x form, then it is method 2, and x to the power of m form, it is method 3. Now x means x power of 1, that is x to the power of m form, therefore it is method 3. And right hand side is x, that is not 0. Not 0 means non-homogeneous. Non-homogeneous means the general solution contains two terms, y is equal to yc plus yp. Are you getting? So general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. What is yc? It's a complementary function, nothing but a general solution of corresponding homogeneous differential equation. So take right hand side 0 and right auxiliary equation, what we got? M square plus 31 is equal to 0. The auxiliary equation we got m square plus 31 is equal to 0. Therefore m square is equal to minus 31 and m is equal to 0 plus or minus root 31i. So roots are complex. If roots are complex, that is in the form of alpha plus or minus I beta, what is yc? What is the general solution of corresponding homogeneous differential equation? So what is yc? Yc is e power of alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. At place of alpha you are having 0 and at place of beta you are having root 31. Therefore yc is e power of 0x into c1 cos root 31x plus c2 sin root 31x. But e power of 0x is e power of 0. E power of 0 means 1. Therefore, what is yc? Yc is c1 cos root 31x plus c2 sin root 31x. So this is we got yc. Now let us quickly move to the method. Here we are going to apply the method, that is yp. What is yp? 1 by d square plus 31 of x. The method 3. So denominator, you see the denominator. In denominator we are having d square plus 31. D square term, it is power 2. 31 means it is power 0. D power of 0. 31 into d power of 0. So what is the least power of d term? The least power of d term is 31. Take 31 common. If you take 31 common, at place of 31 you will get 1, and at place of d square you will get d square by 31. So this is, so take to that into numerator, what will get 1 by 31 into 1 plus d square by 31 all power of minus 1. So what is the formula? So I am recollecting the formula, that is 1 plus d all power of minus 1 is that first plus, next minus you are having. So plus or minus, that is 1 minus d plus r plus d square minus d cube plus d power of 4 and so on. At place of d, what you are having? At place of d we are having d square by 31. So substitute it, what will get 1 by 31 to 1 minus d square by 31 plus d square by 31 whole square minus d square by 31 whole cube of x. Are you getting? Now 1 into x is x, d square of x. d of x is, derivative of x is 1, second derivative is 0, third derivative, fourth derivative and so on are 0. So d of x, at place of d you have to write 1, and d square, d cube, d power of 4 and so on you have to write 0. So d square 0, d power of 4 0, all are 0. So what is yp? Yp is equal to x by 31. So we got yc. In the previous slide we got yc. What is that yc? We got c1 cos root 31x plus c2 sin root 31x, because e power of 0x is 1. So now yp, what is yp? We got x by 31. Now we got yc, we got yp. Then what is the general solution? The general solution is yc plus yp. The general solution is yc plus yp. So what is that? yc plus yp. So what is yc? c1 cos root 31x plus c2 sin root 31x. And what is yp? X by 31. So what is general solution? yc plus yp is c1 cos root 31x plus c2 sin root 31x plus x by 31. So that's it. This is our second problem on the third method. Are you getting? Are you following, guys? Are you following? Yes. Okay. So another 30 minutes to go. So let us quickly move to the next problem. I hope you are following me. You see, what is the third problem? Solve d square plus 4 of y is equal to x square. Solve d square plus 4 of y is equal to x square. You see right hand side, what is that? X square. It is of x to the power of m. Therefore it is method 3. So you can identify. You can observe first two problems I took right hand side as x. Now I am taking right hand side as x square. That is a change in the problem, the type of problem. So I am taking x square, though it is the method 3 only. So right hand side is x square, it is not 0. Once it is not 0, right hand side is not 0, means it is non-homogeneous differential equation. And for non-homogeneous differential equation, the general solution contains two terms, that is y is equal to yc plus yp. What is yc? What is yc? Complementary function. What is a complementary function? We define it. So what is that? It is a general solution of corresponding homogeneous differential equation. So for corresponding non-homogeneous, write right hand side 0, that is our corresponding homogeneous. Then write auxiliary equation, that is you got m square plus 4 is equal to 0. M square plus 4 is equal to 0. You got S. So 4 to the side, that is m square is equal to minus 4. M is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 4. Root 4 is 2, root minus 1 is I. So it is plus or minus 2i. You can write m is equal to, it is not m. M is equal to, you get 0 plus or minus 2i. 0 plus or minus 2i. Yes. The roots are, what are the roots? The roots are complex. Roots are complex. For roots are complex, that is if the form, it is in the form of alpha plus or minus I beta, then what is yc? E power of alpha x plus c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Now at place of alpha we are having 0 and at place of beta we are having 2. Therefore yc is e power of 0x into c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Are you getting? But e power of 0x is 1. Therefore, what is yc? Yc is c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Are you getting? This we got yc, c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Now, let us find yp by using the method 3. So, here no need of this. It is m. Sorry for this. I will make it. Now, yp. What is the yp now? 1 by d square plus 4 of x square. What is the least power of d? First term is d square, that is power 2. Next term is 4, that is power 0. Constant means 4 into d power of 0, it is 0. So 4 is the least power of d. So take 4 common. 1 by 4 common. At place of 4 you will get 1, and at place of d square you will get d square by 4 of x square. Take to the numerator, you will get 1 by 4 into 1 plus d square by 4 all power of minus 1. Which formula it is? 1 plus d all power of minus 1. That is 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube minus plus d power of 4 and so on. Plus minus plus minus plus minus. Apply at place of d, you have to write d square by 4, that's it. So what will get? 1 by 4 into 1 minus d square by 4 plus d square whole square by 4 and so on of x square. Did you got it? So what is 1 into x square? What is d square of x square? D of x square, that is derivative of x square is 2x. D square, second derivative is 2. Third derivative 0. Fourth derivative 0. Fifth derivative 0 and so on. So whenever there is a d, you have to write 2x, and whenever there is d square, you have to write 2. So this is d square means 2 by 4. D square whole square, d power of 4 means 0. D power of 6 means 0 and so on. So 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. What is yp? The yp is 1 by 4 into x square minus 1 by 2. So we got yp. What is yp? 1 by 4 into x square minus 1 by 2. This is yp. Are you getting, guys? Are you getting? First of all, the least power of d common. Here least power of d is 4. You are taking common. It is of the form 1 plus d square by 4 all power of minus 1 means 1 plus d all power of minus 1. Apply the formula. Now d of x square is 2x, derivative of square. D square of x square is 2, d cube onwards it is 0. So at place of d put 2x, at place of d square put 2, d cube onwards 0. Now substitute, you got answer. What is yp? Yp is equal to 1 by 4 x square minus 1 by 2. This is yp. What is yc we got? We got yc is equal to c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. And what is yp? Yp is 1 by 4 into x square minus 1 by 2. So what is the general solution? Since it is non-homogeneous, the general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Now we got yc and we got yp. Now write down general solution. The general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. What is yc? Yc is c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. And what is yp? Yp is 1 by 4 into x square minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the general solution becomes y equal to yc plus yp. What is that? The yc we got, yp we got. Now the general solution is y is equal to, what will get? Y is equal to c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x plus 1 by 4 into x square minus 1 by 2. So this is what we got. The third problem we solved. So are you getting the method? Finding yp. Only two-step working rule. First one, take least power of d common and convert denominator in 1 plus d or 1 minus something and take into numerator and apply the formula 1 plus d whole power of minus 1, 1 minus d whole power of minus 1, 1 plus d whole power of minus 2, 1 minus d whole power of minus 2. All those four formulas are given, so you have to apply those formulas. That's it. So this is the third problem. So what's the time left? The time left, we have another 20 minutes to go. So let us quickly move on to the next problem, guys. Yes, what is the fourth problem? Solve d square plus d minus 6 of y is equal to x square. What is the right hand side? So first two problems we solved with x in right hand side. Next two problems we are solving with x square. I am trying to give all types of problems. So right hand side x square means it is x to the power of m form. Therefore it is method 3. So identification method is very easy. Just look at the right hand side. If it is e power of x, e power of ax form, then it is first method. Sine or cos ax form, then it is second method. X to the power of m, then it is third method. So this is our third method. X square, x to the power of m form. Now look at the right hand side, it is x square non-zero. Non-zero means it is non-homogeneous. For non-homogeneous, what is the general solution? Yc plus yp. So general solution of this non-homogeneous equation is y is equal to yc plus yp. Now we need to find yc and yp. What is yc? Yc is complementary function. What is complementary function? It is a general solution of corresponding homogeneous differential equation. So take right hand side 0 and write the auxiliary equation. What we got? So the auxiliary equation is m square plus m plus minus 6 is equal to 0. Plus m can be written as plus 3m minus 2m. Adding you will get plus m and multiplication you will get minus 6. From first two terms take m common, you will get m plus 3. Next two terms take minus 2 common, you will get minus 2 into m plus 3. Next take m plus 3 common, you will get m plus 3 into m minus 2, and the roots are minus 3 comma 2. So what are the roots? They are minus 3 comma 2. They are real numbers and different numbers. So roots are real and different. Are you getting? Roots are real and different. So for real and different root, how to write the solution? That is yc is equal to c1 into e power of minus 3x plus c2 into e power of 2x. So this is, we got yc. The roots are real and different. So depending on the roots, you can write the general solution. That is, you can write yc. We written c1 e power of minus 3x plus c2 e power of 2x. So, so this is yc, guys. Now let us move to the yp. Are you getting? So yp is the method, the new one. Up to yc, in every method you are come across. Now you have to see the yp only. Now, so look at what is yp. Yp is 1 by d square plus d minus 6 of x square. 1 by d square plus d minus 6 of x square. Look at here. First term d square power 2. Second term d, that is power 1. Third term minus 6, that is power 0, that is d power of 0. So what is the least power of d? The least power of d is minus 6. So recall the working rule. Two-step process. First one, you have to take the least power of d common. So here minus 6 is the least power of d. I am taking common. I am taking minus 6 is least power of d common. At place of minus 6 you will get 1, and at place of d square plus d you will get minus d square plus d by 6. So you got 1 minus of something, taking to the numerator 1 minus d square plus d by 6 all power of minus 1. Which formula? It is of the form 1 minus d all power of minus 1. What is 1 minus d all power of minus 1? That is 1 plus d square plus d cube plus d power of 4 plus d power of 5 and so on. All plus. At place of d, we are having d square plus d by 6. Now substitute, you get this. Minus 1 by 6 into 1 plus d square plus d by 6. plus d square plus d by 6 all square plus d square plus d by 6 all cube plus d square plus d by 6 all power of 4 and so on. It goes on. Are you getting? Now that is for the simplification minus 1 by 6 into 1 plus d square plus d by 6 plus what you are having d square plus d by 6 all square a plus b all square a square plus 2ab plus b square a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is d power of 4 plus 2d cube plus d square by 6 all square means 36. And 4 onwards no need, because you see derivative of x square is 2x, second derivative 2, third derivative onwards 0. So d, at place of d you have to write 2x, at place of d square you have to write 2, and d cube d power of 4 and so on. What you have to write? 0. So this is 1 into x square, it is x square, at place of d square write 2, at place of d write 2x, d power of 4 0, d cube 0, d square 2. So take LCM and you will get YP. What is YP? YP is minus 1 by 6. 36x square plus 12x plus 14 by 36. Are you getting? This is my YP. Are you able to get it? Are you able to get it, guys? This is my YP. Okay. The least power of D. What is that? Minus 6. I am taking common. The remaining term is 1 minus d square plus d all power of 6. Take to the numerator, that is you will get all power of minus 1. So 1 minus d all power of minus 1 is 1 plus d square plus d cube plus d power of 4 and so on goes on. At place of d you have d square plus d by 6. So substitute, you get this, and this d square plus d all square expand, you will get this. Now derivative of x square is 2x, and second derivative is 2, third derivative, fourth derivative, fifth derivative, and are all 0. So at place of d you have to write 2x, at place of d square you have to write 2, d cube 0, d power of 4 0, like that. Simplify, you get answer. So this is my YP. Are you getting? Are you getting? So what is the YC? YC is C1 into e power of minus 3x and plus C2 into e power of 2x. Real and different roots we got YC, C1 into e power of minus 3x plus C2 into e power of 2x. So that is our YC. Now, and we got YP. YP is minus 1 by 6, 36x square plus 12x plus 14 by 36. So we got YC and we got YP. So what is the general solution of non-homogeneous? Is y is equal to YC plus YP. Are you getting? So the general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. So what is yc? C1 e power of minus 3x plus C2 e power of 2x, and yp 1 by 6 into 36x square plus 12x plus 14 by 36. Therefore the general solution of given non-homogeneous differential equation is y is equal to yc plus yp, that is C1 e power of minus 3x plus C2 e power of 2x plus 1 by 6 into 36x square plus 12x plus 14 by 36. This is my general solution of given non-homogeneous differential equation. Fourth problem we covered. Are you getting, guys? Are you able to understand? We covered almost all 4 problems. Is any chance we will go for the 5th problem also? What is the time left, guys? Yes, at about 10 plus minutes. So with this 10 minutes, let us try to cover one more problem. So let quickly move to the next problem. This is the 5th problem. Yes, you see. Excuse me. Yes. Yes, this is the 5th problem and the last problem, because with the time left we can cover, I think, only one more problem. So I will cover this 5th and we will end. You see, solve. What is given? Solve. D square plus 1 of y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. X square plus 2x plus 1. X square, x to the power of m. X to the power of m form. 1 x to the power of m form. So right hand side is x to the power of m. Therefore it is method 3. So identification of method, it is very, very, very crucial and easy. Once you have to identify the method, then we are going to apply the method. Are you getting? So if right hand side is e power of x, then the first method. If right hand side is sin x or cos x, then the second method. And right hand side is x to the power of m form, then we apply third method. Only three methods we have here. So we did first method e power of ax form, and second method sin x or cos x form. Now we are doing x to the power of m method. In this first two problems I took right hand side as x, and next two problems I took right hand side as x square, and the fifth and the last problem I am taking x square plus 2x plus 1. Are you getting? So I'm trying to cover all type problems, and all these I selected from previous question papers only. All are 5 marks questions already given in semester end. So this is my problem. Fifth problem, solve d square plus 1 of y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. So right hand side, is it 0? No. The right hand side is not 0, it is x square plus 2x plus 1. It is not 0. Not 0 means it is non-homogeneous. So what is the general solution of non-homogeneous differential equation? The non-homogeneous differential equation, the general solution consists of two terms yc and yp. Therefore the general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Are you getting? Non-homogeneous, therefore it is y is equal to yc plus yp. Now let us find first yc, then yp, then add them, you get general solution. Are you getting? So yc, what is yc, guys? What is yc? It's complementary function. What is complementary function? It is a general solution of corresponding homogeneous differential equation. What is corresponding homogeneous differential equation means? For a given non-homogeneous differential equation, take right hand side 0, then it becomes for that non-homogeneous, it becomes a corresponding homogeneous. So take right hand side 0. So by taking right hand side 0, it becomes homogeneous. So for that homogeneous, find the general solution, that is our yc. Are you getting? That is our yc, the complementary function. Yes, you are in the track now. Yes. So let us find yc, that is the general solution of corresponding homogeneous differential equation. So now auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? M square plus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 1 to this side, you will get minus 1. That is m square is equal to minus 1. M square is equal to minus 1. M is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 1. What is square root of minus 1, guys? What is square root of minus 1? Yes, it is I. So m is equal to plus or minus I. M is equal to plus or minus I. So that is, you can write m is equal to 0 plus or minus I. The roots are complex. So whenever complex roots exist, they exist only in pairs. So plus I and minus I, or 0 plus I or 0 minus I. So we know, what we know, depending on the roots of auxiliary equation, we can write the general solution of homogeneous, that is, you can write yc. There are three cases, roots. First one, the roots are real and distinct. It is not real and distinct. The second one, roots are real and equal. Here their roots are not real and equal. And the third one is complex. Here the roots are complex. 0 plus or minus I. The roots are complex. If roots are complex roots, for example, alpha plus or minus I beta. Alpha plus or minus I beta. Then what is the general solution? It is e power of alpha x into c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Now instead of alpha we are having 0, and instead of beta we are having 1. So what is yc? The yc becomes e power of 0x. E power of 0x into c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. But e power of 0x, what is e power of 0x? E power of 0 into x is 0, that is e power of 0. E power of 0 is 1. Therefore, what is yc? Our yc is c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Did you got? This is our yc. Yc is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. So let us move to the yp now. Yp. What is yp? 1 by d square plus 1 of x square plus 2x plus 1. Are getting 1 by d square plus 1 of x square plus 2x plus 1. You see the denominator. What is the denominator? D square plus 1. D square plus 1. Working rule. Two-step working rule. First of all, you have to take least power of d common and try to write the denominator in 1 plus something or 1 minus something. And second step, take the denominator term to the numerator, then you will get power is negative, then apply 1 plus d whole power of minus 1 form, or 1 minus d whole power of minus 1 form, or 1 plus d whole power of minus 2 form, or 1 minus d whole power of minus 2 form. So apply the, among those four formulas, apply the suitable one. Now, what is the first step? You have to take least power of the common and write the denominator in 1 plus something. But here already we are having 1 plus d square. What is the denominator, guys? The denominator is already 1 plus d square form. It is in decided form. So no need to take any common. If you want to take the common also, what is the least power of d? Here is d square power 2 and 1. It is power 0. So you have to take 1 common. Taking 1 common is meaningless. Same you will get. So already, that's what I am saying, already the denominator is in decided form, 1 plus something or 1 minus something. Here it is 1 plus d square. Are you getting? So we got a decided form, already in decided form. So first step is already there. First step, there is the first step already there in. So take 1 plus d square to the numerator. What happens? 1 plus d square of whole power of minus 1 x square plus 2x plus 1. So now the formula. It is of the form, which form? Which form? 1 plus d whole power of minus 1. 1 plus d whole power of minus 1 is 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube plus d power of 4, like that. Plus minus plus minus plus minus. But at place of d, what you are having? D square. So substitute that 1 minus d square plus d square whole square minus d square whole cube plus d square whole power of 4 minus d square whole power of 5 and so on of x square plus 2x plus 1. Now 1 into x square plus 2x plus 1, you can write x square plus 2x plus 1 minus d square of x square plus 2x plus 1. What is that? D square of x square plus 2x plus 1, that is second derivative of x square plus 2x plus 1. So let us find first derivative. X square derivative 2x, 2x derivative 2 and 1 derivative 0. So derivative of x square plus 2x plus 1 is 2x plus 2. Second derivative is 2 and third derivative is 0. Fourth derivative is 0. Fifth derivative is 0 and so on, all are zeros. So at the place of d, what you have to write? 2x plus 2, and at the place of d square you have to write 2. So now 1 into x square plus 2x plus 1 is x square plus 2x plus 1 minus of d square. D square of that is 2. That is 2. D square whole square. D square whole square means d power of 4. From third derivative onwards, the derivative values are 0. Third derivative 0, fourth derivative, fifth derivative 0. So d power of 4, 0. Next, d square whole cube. D square whole cube means d power of 6, that is also 0. Plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. So what is yp? So yp is x square plus 2x minus 1. That is our yp, x square plus 2x minus 1. So we got yp, we got yc. What is a yc? Yc is c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. And we got yp. Yp is equal to x square plus 2x minus 1. So this here I want to tell you this. Take this as single term. Don't split into 3 terms, for x square 1, for 2x 1 and for 1 1. because all are algebraic, all are x to the power of m only, no different method, all are comes under third method only. That's why make it one. So derivative of whole thing like that, first derivative, second derivative, and treat x square plus 2x plus 1 as a single term. Don't split into three terms and do it three times, it becomes a very large. Though even though you will get it, but you have to apply the method for three times, but no need to apply it for three times, you can take it in a single take itself. Are you getting? So we got yp. What is yp? X square plus 2x minus 1. We got yp and we got yc. Therefore the general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. General solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. What is yc? c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. And what is yp? X square plus 2x minus 1. Therefore, general solution of given non-homogeneous is y is equal to yc plus yp. That is c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus x square plus 2x minus 1. So this is the method 3, and almost all we covered. All types of problems, 5 problems we covered in the lesson. So guys, it is a time to give homework. What I am saying is, so first of all you read the method. What is the method? What is the working rule? How to identify the method, and what is a working rule? What are the 2 steps in working rule? What is that? Take the least power of d common, write the denominator in 1 plus or 1 minus form and take that into numerator, then apply the standard formula 1 minus d whole power of minus 1 or 1 plus d whole power of minus 1 or 1 minus d whole power of minus 2 or 1 plus d whole power of minus 2. So apply this. So these are the 2 steps. Then practice all these 5 problems. I given totally different problems. First 2 problems of x, next 2 problems of x square, and the 5th problem is of 3 times x square plus 2x plus 1 type, like that. So all types are given in that. All types we give. So practice these 5 problems first. Then try to do the homework. Are you getting? So this is my homework. Solve. D square minus 1 of y is equal to x. Third method. D square plus 5d plus 4 of y is equal to x square plus 9. Again the third method, method 3. Are you getting? So practice the already solved problems, then do the homework, and if you have any queries you can post in Google Classroom, and if you have done your homework, then also post in your in Google Classroom, so that I can verify and respond very quickly. Or you can mail me at my mail ID, that is naresh.zebedi@gmail.com. I am always giving that. So it is an open forum. You can anytime you can ask, and anytime I can quickly respond you. And it is better to communicate in our Google Classroom, so I can respond you. Do the homework and post there. So all these 3 methods we covered. So tomorrow what we are going to do? Tomorrow is the last class of this 4th sem. We covered all topics. So last topic what you are going to do? The combination of these 3 methods. E power of x method, sin x or cos x method, or x to the power of y. Combination of methods we are going to do. Such type of problems also coming very frequently for 5 marks. So that's it guys. That's for today. Thank you. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next class and the last class.